simple work and $85 million fund. This company, Sentient, it is a crypto company, and they provided airdrop, okay, giveaway, okay. It is just doing form fill up, and what you need to do is just submit a form properly and execute all sort of tasks that they provided and being eligible. And that's it, okay. Just click on this link that I provided here and come into inside of this space. So inside of this space, what you need to do is just put your name. My name I'm putting here, and click this next button. Next should be pop up. Put your email, click this OK, and who do you represent? User Sentient Believer, a builder. So just do your way. Make sure to follow us on social media, X, Discord, and LinkedIn. Done. And click on this submit. Okay, thanks for completing this type form. Creator 1, it's free and easy and straightforward. Creator type form. Okay, so your work has been done. You don't need to do anything about it. So next update I will get from us, just come into my telegram. Here is you will get a free update about airdrop, new airdrop, as well as the old stone, and that has been updated. Okay, and I see there is like a lot of airdrop has been 1 year, 2 year, and people, crypto platform always given updated to update their airdrop, or they added flex task, delay task, all sort of tasks they added. But one people just joined 1 years ago and they missed all sort of tasks that they provided. Okay, but if you want to get this type of updated, come into here, this videos description box, you will get our telegram channel's link. Here is there is a lot of people joined. If you see different countries they're from, like Cameroon, all sort of countries that I don't know where they're from is. So I'm glad to all of you that who joined in this channel, and yeah, I'm welcoming you coming to here, being part of the our community and making money. So see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting. Okay, this is the video, shortest video ever. Okay, so I want to make sense you that I will make you money.